As you can see, we're getting ready for flood. It's been an interesting past couple years, and this year is a little bit different with the COVID-19 epidemic happening. We are preparing as much as we can with floodgates up and sandbags. A little different this year, obviously with the pandemic happening. We've unfortunately had to lay off most of our staff, so we're a very limited crew to respond to it. I'm lucky here. We have a great chief engineer who knows exactly what needs to be done and when, and has followed through on everything that's needed. So we're prepared as much as we can be, and we just sit and wait to see what happens.
So this year's flood is a little different than past 2 years just because we have the compounded stress with the COVID-19. So you can see this year too the financial stress that has come with having COVID and the flood. Right now I don't even have a job, but I spent thousands of dollars in new pumps to protect some renovations I had done in the basement after last 2 years' floods. So this year is a completely different ball game as far as flooding.